beautiful souls, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing great. Today, we are diving into the world of effortless facial hair removal using a razor. Whether you are a beginner or a pro, this technique will leave your skin feel soft and radiant. So let's get started. Let's talk about the tools you'll need: a cleanser to wash your face, a shaving cream or aloe vera gel, a face razor, a clean towel, a moisturizer, and some tissues. First thing first, make sure your skin is clean and free from any makeup or skincare products. This will help prevent irritation and ensure a smoother shave. And here I'll be using Foxtel Dew Cleanser. It's really soothing for the skin. Once your skin is clean, pat dry it with a soft towel. You can either use a shaving cream, I have it from the brand called Fur, or you can use an aloe vera gel to get a smooth base. The gel I used is from the brand called Inwoods, and the face razor I used is amazing. You'll find the link in the description of this video. It's essential to use a razor that is specifically designed for your face, as it's more smaller and precise than a regular razor. Now apply a generous amount of shaving cream or gel to the area that you want to shave. Always stretch your skin upward and shave in the direction of hair growth to reduce the risk of irritation and ingrown hairs. This means shaving downwards on the cheeks and chin. Use light and gentle pressure when you're shaving to avoid nicks, cuts, and irritation. Look at the dirt and dead skin we have on our face. Yuck. And remember to avoid using a razor wherever you have any sort of active acne on your face. Do not play up with your hairline, either put a hairband or your hand on the hairline. Take your time and be gentle with the razor. There is no need to apply much pressure. Let the razor do its job. Once you have finished shaving, rinse your face with lukewarm water to remove any excessive product. To prevent any post-shave irritation, apply a gentle moisturizer to soothe and hydrate the skin. Here I am using Earth Rhythm's oil-free moisturizer. It's really soothing and calming. Make sure to massage it well onto your skin. And there you have it, a simple yet effective technique to remove your facial hair using a razor. Take your time, be gentle with your skin, and wait for the smooth results. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share with the people who needs it. Do subscribe to our channel for more such beauty tips and tutorials. Until next time, take care, stay beautiful. Radhe Radhe.